Hello everyone, welcome back to AutoTrend TV. I'm you Viprajesh again, and in this video I would like to talk about the top 5 highlights of the new upcoming Kia Sonet compact SUV. The first highlight obviously is the design. The Kia Sonet is based on the Hyundai Venue compact SUV, so in terms of dimensions the differences are very few. While the length and wheelbase are exactly the same, the Sonet is wider and taller than the Hyundai Venue and also provides more ground clearance at around 211 mm. The entry-level variants of the Kia Sonet will feature 15-inch steel rims, whereas only the top-spec variants will feature 16-inch crystal-cut alloy wheels. The top-spec variants will also receive the signature Heartbeat LED DRLs, along with Heartbeat LED elements on the tail lamps. Additionally, only the GT line variants will receive red highlights on the outside. Coming to the interiors, the Kia Sonet will feature a funky-looking design with segment-first features and connected car features. The Kia Sonet features a 10.25-inch HD touchscreen system with inbuilt navigation and live traffic updates. This system will be paired to a Bose 7-speaker audio system with subwoofer on the top-spec variants. This surround sound system will also offer LED sound mode lighting to correspond with the music. Other highlight features include ventilated driver and front passenger seat, smart pure air purifier with wireless protection, wireless smartphone charger with cooling function, and Kia's UVO Connect system with remote engine start along with various other smart connected functions and over-the-air map updates. Other significant features will also include automatic LED headlamps, electric sunroof, keyless entry and go, cruise control, rear AC vents, tire pressure monitoring system, leather upholstery, and front parking sensors. The third highlight of the Kia Sonet is the availability of 392 liters of overall boot space, which is best in segment and also has the option of flat folding rear seats. In terms of powertrain options, the Kia Sonet shares the exact same engine options seen on the Hyundai Venue. The base models will get an option of a 1.2-liter 4-cylinder Kappa petrol engine producing 83 PS of maximum power and mated to a 5-speed manual transmission. The other petrol engine on offer will be the 1-liter 3-cylinder turbocharged GDI petrol engine producing 120 PS of maximum power and will be mated to either a 6-speed IMT manual transmission or a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission. The 1.5-liter 4-cylinder CRDI turbo diesel engine will also be carried forward from the Hyundai Venue. However, on the 6-speed manual transmission-equipped versions, this engine will produce only around 100 PS, whereas the 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission-equipped variants will produce 115 PS of power. In terms of variants, the Kia Sonet will be available in total 6 trim levels. The HTE, HTK, HTK+, HTX, HTX+, and the top-spec GTX+. The 1.2-liter petrol engine will be available only on the entry-level HTE, HTK and the HTK Plus variants. The 1-liter GDI turbo petrol will be available on the HTK Plus, HTX, HTX Plus and the GTX Plus variants. However, a 7-speed dual-clutch automatic transmission option will be available only on the HTK Plus and the GTX Plus variants. Similarly, while the 1.5-liter diesel engine will be available as standard across all variants, a 6-speed torque converter automatic transmission will be available only on the HTK Plus and the GTX Plus variants. Lastly, in terms of safety features, all the variants will receive dual airbags, ABS, reverse parking sensors, pre-tensioner equipped seatbelts, engine immobilizer, and central locking as standard. However, the top-spec variants will also receive 6 airbags, front parking sensors, electronic stability control, hill start assist, and tire pressure monitoring system. The new Kia Sonet compact SUV will be launched on 18 September 2020 with advanced bookings already commenced on 20th August 2020 onwards. Prices are expected to start from Rs 8 lakh ex-showroom for the entry-level variant and go up to Rs 12 lakh ex-showroom for the top-spec automatic variants. So do let me know in the comment section below what do you think about this new Kia Sonet compact SUV. Stay tuned for our detailed reviews of this compact SUV. Meanwhile, this is Viprajesh signing off. See you on another video. Thank you for watching.